You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned. There are more videos you'll want to listen to. British English pronunciation: potsherd. A broken piece of ceramic material. Potsherd. Potsherd. In American English, it's normally pronounced as potsherd. Potsherd. How to pronounce in English? Pronunciation: potsherd or potsherd. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.